بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين، سيما الإمام المنتظر الحجة الثاني عشر، روحي وأرواح العالمين لتراب مقدمه الفداء. أما بعد، بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ربي زدني علما. صدق الله العلي العظيم. Right. This is the exercises of lesson number 8, exercise 7. So here in this exercise, what it is trying to do is that it's trying to show the three different states of the present tense fi'l mudari. So fi'l mudari marfu and fi'l mudari mansub. So there are three states, but here it's showing you two states: mudari marfu and mudari mansub. So mansub is when any particle an, lan, kay, idhan come. When they come in front of the present tense, they change the present tense to the state of fi'l mudari mansub. I'm going to ask sister who is there? Let's bring sister Batul. Bismillah, sister Batul. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalam.
Okay. Read and remember. Al-mudari'u al-marfu. So this is the state, like it's a marfu state. Yazhabu. He is going. He is going.
So,
yeah, he goes.
So the state now, now what thing is indicating that the present tense is in its original state? That means there's no particles of jazima, no particles of nasiba being entered in front of the present tense. So what is the actual indicator for that?
So it's a marfu, like it's a rough, what do you call it? Dhamma. Dhamma.
Yep. Perfect.
So alamatul raf will be dhamma. So when it becomes al-mudhari al-mansub, accusative state, now present tense, then the alamat will be fatha, yazhaba. Then the next is yazhabuna. They are going. So the alamat will be the sabut and noon. There is a noon fatha in the mudhari state, in the marfu al-mudhari. But when it becomes mansub, the noon will be dropped. That is hazfun noon, and it becomes yazhabu.
Correct.
Then it is tazhabu. She's going. So in the al-mudhari al-marfu, it is a marfu state, and the alamat will be, there will be a dhamma on it. And then when it becomes the mansub, al-mudhari al-mansub, the alamat will change and it will be tazhaba. Yazhabna, they are going. The alamat will be that it will be same. Yazhab, in marfu state it is yazhabna, but in mansub, in marfu state it will be yazhabna, but when it is changed into mansub, it will become yazhabna, same. It will be same. And then it is tazhabu, you are going. So the alamat will be like dhamma, and when it is in mansub, tazhaba, it will be changed into fatha. There will be fatha on that. Tazhabuna, you all are going. Again, there is a noon fatha. It shows that it is in the mansub, in the marfu state.
No.
But when
the noon fatha. Correct.
It is in marfu state, but when it becomes the mansub, the noon will be dropped and it will be tazhabu.
Correct.
Tazhabina, you female is going. Again, if it is tazhabina, it is in a marfu state. So when it becomes the noon fatha is dropped, it is in mansub state. Then it will be tazhabi. Tazhabna. So here we see the yazhabna and tazhabna, all female or the female are going, and you female are going. The both in manfu and in the mansub it will be same. It will remain same.
Perfect.
Azhabu, I am going. It shows that it is in a marfu state. Marfu, like it is in a muzare marfu state. And when it is in al mudare or al mudare mansub, it will be azhaba. There will be fatha on the ba. Nazhabu, we are going. Again, this shows that it is in a muzare. It is a muzare mansub. Sorry, it is a muzare marfu. And when it becomes nazhaba, this shows that it has become muzare mansub.
Excellent.
Can I just ask just a
Go ahead.
recap?
Yeah.
You know, when we say mansub and what is
Let me.
this?
Yeah.
Yeah,
One second.
yeah. So is it the passive and the active?
No.
No.
Let me
Okay.
just recap this for you now.
Thank you.
No problem.
Sure.
Okay. Sister Batul, can you
Yeah.
go through the Ta'ammal Ma Yali, exercise 4, where it talks about an itself, what happened? So
Yes.
there are two sentences. Huwa yadhhabu, he is going. And
Yes.
if you want to say
And then
he would like
wants
to go, so
he
here,
wants to go.
yeah, he wants
So
to go.
to
So when you say
go, so
to go, the an comes and changes yadhhabu from a dhamma to
mansub.
exactly. So
Bafata.
go through these examples.
Yeah.
So huwa yazhabu. Huwa yazhabu. He is going. Now this is a marfu state. So and this shows like the badama shows that it is in a marfu state. But then when it changes, the sentence changes like huwa yuridu an yazhaba. He wants to. Now because of an, the yazhabu becomes yazhaba. It changes into a mansub state.
Yeah. Okay.
So ba'fata, it will be ba'fata. And
Excellent.
similarly, like hiya tazhabu, she is going. It's just a simple, like, it's a present and it is in a marfu state. But when it changes into the mansub, because of an, the tazhabu will get the instead of badama, we will write ba'fata.
Right.
Ba'fata shows that it is in a mansub state.
Okay,
Anta
thank you.
tazhabu. Shall I carry on?
Yeah, carry on, because I need you to talk about the noons as well, why the noons are dropped as well.
Anta tazhabu. You are going. It's for me. You are going. Tazhabu. This shows that it is a mudare and it is a marfu state. When it becomes anta turidu, and because of an, the tazhabu will be changed into tazhaba. It will be changed into a mansub state. So because of an, so it will be tazhaba. Ana azhabu. I am going. So this shows it is a mudare and it is in a marfu state. In a mansub state, like how it changes, like when I say I want to go, then because of an azhabu will be changed into azhabha. It will be azhaba. Nahnu nazhabu, we are going. This is a muzare marfu, and then when we say nahnu nuridu an nazhabu, we want to go. Because of an, it will be nazhaba. Then another is hum yazhabuna, they are going. So this shows this hum yazhabuna, because noon fatha is there. It shows that it is a muzare and it is marfu state. But when we change into, like, when we want a mansub, when we say, so because of an, the noon fatha is dropped and it becomes yazhabu. Antum tazhabuna, you all are going. Again, noon fatha is dropped and it becomes tazhabu in a mansub state. Anti tazhabina, this is also a muzare marfu, but when it becomes mansub, they all want to go. So you want to go for female, it will become antazhab. Because of an, it becomes tazhabi. The noon fatha is dropped.
Excellent.
Only two. There are two sentences in which, like, yazhabna and tazhabna, they will remain same in both al mudare marfu and in al mudare mansub. They will be same.
Brilliant. Is this clear for everyone now?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. brilliant. Right, okay, exercise. Batul, can you do 8 and 9, please? And then we're lesson completed, please.
So when you say it's Allah, it actually means it is equal to la, means to know. Is it no?
So no, la, it means
I don't want,
yes.
not to. Yeah.
Y-
So
Allah,
arju an tadkhula.
so here,
Yeah.
it means to, la means not.
Yeah. No. So arju an tadkhula, it means like I want to enter.
Yeah,
Enter.
I want to I want to enter. So arju an la tadkhula. I request that you don't enter.
I don't want to enter. I don't
Yeah.
want to
No,
enter.
no. Allah is 2 words, an and la. So
And
an means
Allah,
to, la means not. I request that you
not to.
don't enter. That you don't
Not
enter.
to. Yeah, yes, that I request you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Arju an tajlisa huna. I request you to sit here. So, but when we say I request you not to sit here, it will be Arju Allah tajlisu. So Allah
Correct.
is an Allah, but because of it, like it says Allah.
Perfect.
Then number 9 exercise, learn the use of preposition kafata. It's like, it means like. هذه المدرسة مدرسة كالمسجد. This school is like mosque. So this kafata is acting like a,
Yeah, so this
it
is
means
called
like
in Arabic, this is called guy tashbih. Tashbih.
yeah?
Tashbih is the word. Shabi, you know, say shabi. Shabi and tashbih is the same word, means similar. Like this madrasa is like the masjid.
So Hamidun kaslanu kazamilihi. Hamid is lazy like his colleague.
Correct.
Oh, I'm sorry, I read number 3. So هذه القهوة كالماء. This coffee is like water. Number 4, ساعتي كساعتك. My watch is like your watch. أنت كأخي. You are like my brother.
You're like my brother. Right. Sister Tahira, assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Is this clear for you?
Yes, Sheikh. Walaikum salam. Yes, Sheikh.
Okay, brilliant. That's fine. Sister Mustafa Kareem. I think someone signed in. Mustafa, brother Mustafa Kareem, or is it a sister behind there?
Sorry, I'm signing from a different account.
Okay, no problem. Are you back from Africa, sister? Sister Sadiqa?
No, I'm still here. I'm in Mombasa. Light problems, so internet problems. I'm just using my data. I don't know how
problem.
it will
No
work.
problem.
But
No problem. No problem. That's not a problem. So, sister Tahira, can you do the Sadiqa? Can you do the new words? Adatun.
Al-kalimatun jadidatun. New words. Adatun, habit. Muthafun, matahifun, museum. Plural of museums. Ulbatun, packet. Ulabun, jama. Malais, clothes. Hadikatul, haywanat, zoo. Sayyid, Sadatu, Mr. Mrs. Mr. Sadatu.
Yep, brilliant. Okay, that's all of that done. And then now next lesson itself, lesson number 9. Let's go through, let's do the vocabulary first, so we know what is the new words. Bismillah. Go ahead, Sister Sadiqa.
Asifun, sorry. Utlatas, Saifi, summer. Sifaratun, embassy. Musrafun, bank. Jama is Masarifu. Hindi, Indian. Jama is Hunudun. Adunya, the world. Mustakbalun, future. Ahadun, one, anybody. Umratun, umrah. Sabrun, yes, to have patience. Here, amun, jama is awamu. Hamrun, wine, jama is humurun. Present, mawjudun. Mut'awun, tired. Harirun, silk. Al-akhiratu the hereafter. Yadun beginning. Abadan never. Taraka yatruka to leave, to neglect. I'tamara ya'tamiru to perform the umrah. Labasa yalbisu to wear.
Excellent. Sister, right, Sister Isma, can you kindly start from points to remember, please?
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lesson, we learned the following. We have learned the negative particle used with madi is ma, and that used with the mudari is la. Means madi is past, isn't it? And mudari is present. Ma darastu lughata isbaniyata. I did not study Spanish.
Right.
لا أعرف رقم هاتفه. Okay, I don't know his telephone number.
Mhm.
Now we learn that the negative particle used with the future tense is lan. This particle is like an, and so the mudari following it is mansub. Example: سأذهب إلى رياض غدا. I'll go to Riyadh tomorrow. إلى الرياض غدا. I will not go. Okay. لن أذهب إلى الرياض غدا. I will not go to Riyadh tomorrow. Lan. Okay. Note that when lan is used, the particle of futurity, sa, is omitted. As with an, the noon is omitted from tazhabina, tazhabuna, and yazhabuna. When lan is used with these forms, with these two forms. Sorry, as with an, the noon is omitted from tazhabina, tazhabuna, yazhabuna. When lan is used with these forms, the two forms yazhabna and tazhabna remain unchanged. Example: Ya Aminatu alan tazhabi ila ta'ifi fi utlatis saifi. O Amina, will you not go to Taif during the summer holidays? Okay. Ya akhawatu lan tadrusna lughata turkiyata fil ami mukbil. All sisters, will you not study Turkish next year? Lan ashraba khamran abadan. I will never drink wine. The word abadan is used to emphasize a negative verb in the future. Here are some examples. Lan aktuba ilayhi abadan. I will never write to him. Lan aktuba ilayhi. Okay, abadan. Inna lughataka sa'batun jiddan. Lan adrusaha abadan. Your language is very difficult. I will never study it.
Mhm.
To emphasize a negative verb in the past, qattun is used. Ma ra'aytuhu qattun. I never saw him. Qattun. Ma ra'aytuhu, ma araytuhu qattan. I never saw him.
So the main thing on this in this lesson itself, it's trying to understand that these two do things itself. Ma درست اللغة الإسبانية. I did not study Spanish. And then لا أعرف رقم هاتفي. I don't know his telephone number. So there's a difference between the two here now. And then over here, lan. now we learn that the negative particle is used with the future tense. Lan, this particle is like an, and so the mudari is mansub. So سأذهب إلى الرياض لن أذهب إلى الرياض غدا. So I will not go to Riyadh tomorrow. So lan and an, they act and change the harakat of the last letter itself. And then the other one is that an. So when an comes, تذهبين, تذهبون, يذهبون, all of these three cases, the noon is dropped, except the plural feminines. تذهبن and يذهبن. These are plural for the second person feminine and plural for the third person feminine itself. These noons remain. And then if you want to emphasize something is a future negative, so lan ashrab al khamra abada, I will never drink wine. So the word abadan is used to emphasize a negative verb in the future. So lan and abadan, when this come together, this is in future negation itself, emphasis. And then finally, to emphasize a negative verb in the past, so use word qattu. Qattu is used in the past tense. Abadan is used in the present tense. So ma ra'aytu qattu, I never saw him. And that's done. These words are completed. Now let's go for the lesson. Right, I'm going to ask who is there? Can I bring Sister Butulaka, can you become Ayub? And Sister Ismat, you become Amr, and then I'll change it with Sister Tahira and Sister Butul as well then. Go ahead, Bismillah.
Yes, that the writing is too small. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah.
الدرس التاسع.
درس التاسع, lesson 9. أمر أرجو أن تشتري لهذا الكتاب من الهند
Full stop.
عند.
Stop here. Let's translate now.
Okay. أرجو. I want.
I request you. I request. Raja. Raja yarju. I hope. I request you.
I request you to buy. تشتري.
Yeah, correct.
To buy this book.
Excellent.
من الهند from India.
Correct. عندما تذهب.
تذهب عندما in it.
At the time when. عندما means when.
When تذهب إلى هناك, when you go there. When you go there.
Correct.
في عطلة صيفي, in your summer holidays.
Correct.
إنه باللغة أردية, باللغة with the language.
It is in the Urdu language.
باللغة, it's in the Urdu language. باللغة الأردية. Yeah. وما وجدته في المكتبات هنا. ما means not.
Yep.
And not وجدته, and do not check in.
وجد يجد to be find. ما وجدت, I did not. ما وجدت, I did not find it.
I did not find in the library. هنا, there.
Here.
Yeah,
Maktaba.
هنا is هنا.
In the libraries here. Correct. Sister Batul.
Okay, sorry. Ayub. أنا آسف. I am sorry. إني لن أذهب إلى الهند في عطلة الصيف. I am not going to India during the summer holidays. أريد أن أذهب إلى بغداد لأزور خالي. I want to go to Baghdad to visit my uncle الذي يعمل في سفارة الهند هناك, who is working in Indian embassy there.
Okay. وإخوتك ألا يذهبون إلى الهند are your brothers
Are they not going?
are they ألا يذهبون are they not going to India?
Correct.
نعم, yes. هم أيضا لن يذهبوا هذا العام. They're also not going this year. يريدون أن يبقوا بالمدينة المنورة. They want to stay in Madina Munawwara. ليحفظوا القرآن الكريم. They want to start to memorize Holy Quran.
وأخواتك your sisters and your sisters
هن أيضا لن يذهبن إلى الهند في هذه العطلة. They also are not going to India during the summer holidays. In this summer holidays, يردن أن يذهبن إلى مكة أولا ليعتمرن ويبقين هناك شهرا عند خالتنا. They want to go to Mecca first to perform Umrah and stay there a month or with our auntie. ثم يذهبن إلى الرياض لزيارة أمنا الذي يعمل في أحد المصارف هناك. And then they will stay there. Then they will go to Riyadh to visit our uncle who works in one of the banks there.
Excellent. Now, the next page, can I bring Sister Tahira with Sister Butul Noor Muhammad? So it's Amrun, Sister Tahira, Ayub, Sister Butul Noor Muhammad.
أمر أتعرف أحدا من الطلاب الهنود. Do you know any student? Do you know
Anyone? Do you know أتعرف أحدا? Do you know anyone from the Indian students?
Do you know anyone from the Indian students يذهب إلى الهند في هذه العطلة? Who wants to go to India in this holiday? سمعت أن طالبا هنديا اسمه خالد. I heard that an Indian student, his name is Khalid, سيذهب إلى الهند قريبا, will go to India in the near future.
Okay. نعم أنا أعرفه. Yes, I do know him. هو سيذهب في الأسبوع المقبل. He will be going in the next week.
Excellent.
ولكنه لن يرجع. But he will not return.
ولكنه لن يرجع. He will not return. Correct.
أمر لمه. Why?
لأنه مريض, because he's sick. He's ill. وسيبقى في الهند للعلاج. And he will go to India for
وسيبقى في الهند للعلاج. He will remain in India.
He will remain in
treatment.
India for
treatment.
Treatment, yeah. أتعرف جعفرا? Do you know Jafar?
Correct.
أمر نعم أعرفه لكنه من باكستان. Yes, I know him, but he is from Pakistan.
يمكنه أن يشتري هذا الكتاب من باكستان. فإن الكتاب الأردية موجودة في الهند وباكستان. يمكن أن يشتري. Is it possible to buy this book from Pakistan? فإن الكتاب الأردية.
Surely the
this book is present in Urdu in Hind and Pakistan.
Correct. موجودة here means available.
Available.
Yeah.
أمر Ashkuruka ya Ayub. Thank you, O Ayub. Jazakallah khaira, jazakallah. سأذهب إليه الآن وأقول له. I will go to him now and tell him. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Okay, wa alaikum salam fi amanillah. In the safety of Allah.
Excellent, excellent. Right. Sister Sadiqa, are you there? Sister Sadiqa, are you there? Unmute yourself, Sister Sadiqa. Sister Sadiqa Ladina, Bismillah. Come on the mic.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, now let's read the first sentence, and I'm going to ask you to do some changes to the sentence. Bismillah. Amrun. Arju an tashtari. Start from here.
Amrun arju an tashtari li hazal kitaba min al-hindi indama tazhabu ila hunaka fi utlati sayfi. Hu lugat al-urduya wa ma wajadtuhu fil maktabati al-huna. I translate.
Yes, please.
I request I buy this book in Hindi, in Urdu.
From India.
Urdu.
No, no.
From India.
Tashtari li hadha al-kitab, that you purchased for me this book from India.
I request you purchase this book from India when you go there for summer. It is in Urdu language.
Yeah. Indama tadhhabu ila huna, when you go there in the summer holidays.
When you go there in the summer holidays. Okay. Innahu bil lugati Arabiya. It is in Urdu. Yeah. It is in the Urdu. It is in the Urdu language. Wama wajadtahu fil maktabatil huna. I did not find it in the library here. Should I continue?
Now, I want you to change the sentence. Instead of talking to a male, speak to a female. Change the whole sentence to female.
Okay. Arju an tashtari fi hadha Hindi. Okay, so here Arju an tashtari li hadha kitabu min al-Hindi indama ila hunaka fi utlati sayf. Innahu will be the same because it is Urdu language, yeah. Wama wajadtaha fil maktabil huna. Not find it in the library here. Can you hear me? Oh, playing.
Yes.
Wajadtahu will remain same because it is talking about the Urdu book.
Wajadtahu, because it's talking about the library. Wajadtahu fil maktabatil huna. I did not find in the library here.
Bismillah.
Should I continue?
Yeah, continue, please. Ayub.
Ana asifun. I am sorry. Innani lan azhaba ila al-Hindi fi utlaqati sayf. I am not going to read this summer holidays. Uridu an azhaba ila al-Baghdad li azura khali. I want to go to visit my uncle Allazi ya'malu fi sifariyatil Hindaka, who works in the embassy of India there.
Now, can you
They
change?
change or I continue? Yeah.
So change this to plural now. We are apologizing. How do you say this?
Nahnu asifun. Nahnu nasifun. Instead of ana, I am, will say nahnu. Nasifun. We are sorry. Inni lan ashaba ilal hindi. We are not going. Innani, I am not going. Innani, we are not going means nah. We have to change innani into we, yeah?
So it is actually inni, it's not innani. If you see, it's inni, and then now you will change into innani.
Inni,
Yeah, it's not innani, it's written inni. I
yeah,
am
inni,
sorry.
I
Indeed.
am not going.
Innani, then nazhaba.
Inni means I change into we. We
Plural,
means
yeah.
yeah?
Innani, then nazhaba. It will be,
Innani lan
yeah,
innani lan
originally,
nazhaba.
originally it's written inni. It's not innani.
Yeah,
It's not
inni
written
means
innani.
I.
Now you will change into
Inni
innani.
means I and innani means we, yeah?
Yeah, we will.
Right?
Yeah.
Inna means we.
Innani lan nashaba la hindi fi utlatit saif. We are not going to India this holiday. Uridu means nuridu and
Inna.
nashaba.
Nuridu. Nuridu.
Inni is indeed
Nuridu.
I. Inna means indeed we.
Nuridu. Nuridu an nashaba ilal Baghdad. We want to go to Baghdad. Li azura hali lazi ya'malu fi saratil hindi hunaka. This remains the same. We want to visit our uncle who works in the embassy of India. There.
Okay, now this sentence here, where it says, over here, hunna aidan lan yadhhabna ila al-hindi fi utlat al-sayfi, changes to plural masculine. They are also not going to India in the summer holidays. Hunna is feminine. Change that to masculine. Hum. How would you say that?
Hum means hum means one.
They. Yeah, masculine, plural. Hum aidan.
Whom is and they also are.
So the verb yadhabna, you need to change the verb yadhabna.
Whom is there, yeah?
Correct. So what would be the plural for they?
I took a Waikwatuka.
No. Ayub.
Yes, Abu, is this his sentence?
Yeah, this one here. Ayub. كنا أيضا لن يذهبن إلى الهند في هذا العطلة.
نعم هم أيضا لن نذهب.
لن يذهب. هم أيضا لن يذهبوا.
It's a plural will be
لن يذهبوا. So it was يذهبون.
نذهب.
لن يذهبوا إلى الهند في هذا العطلة. They are also not going to India this summer holidays. Change this as well. يريدنا. This one here now. يريدنا and يذهبنا.
The same way.
Yep.
Uridna, the same sentence. Urid. Uridu an azhab. Is this sentence?
Yeah,
So I
yuridu,
change into
plural,
yeah.
masculine.
Nuridu. Nuridu.
No, yuriduna. So yuriduna.
Uriduna an azhabu.
No, yuriduna
An
an yadhhabu.
yazhabu. An
Yeah.
yazhabu.
Yuriduna an yadhhabu
Nuriduna an yazhabu ila Baghdad.
ila Makkah.
Nuridu an nazhabu ila Baghdad. Nazhabu waw alif.
No.
Nazhabuna.
So we come yuriduna an yadhhabu. So it should have been yadhhabuna. The noon gets dropped, it becomes yadhhabu. Yuriduna an yadhhabu ila Makkah awwalan liya'tamiru ويبقوا هناك شهرا عند خالتنا. So let's do it again. Start from yuriduna.
So because of lam, lam al-ta'lil, it will be like
Is it
yeah.
Is it the second sentence? Yeah. Uridu an ashaba ila Baghdad. Or is it the other sentence?
No, this one here. So yeah, this lam is here. This correct. This lam here is lam ta'lil as well.
Okay.
This lam again will take action as an and lan, which means to. Yuridna and yadhhabna, they want to go to Makkah. Why? Liya'tamirna. Remember this, we spoke about this previously as well. This lam which comes with the present tense, this is called lamus sabab, which the lam which enters the present tense, which explains why the previous verb, why this verb is taking place.
Okay.
So let's change the whole sentence.
Start from yuridna, yeah? Yuridna an yazhabna.
Correct.
So I change into
Plural, masculine. Yes.
Okay. So it will be yuridna.
Yuriduna. No, yuriduna.
Yuriduna an tazhabu.
An yadhhabu.
An tazhabu.
No. An
yazhabu. An yazhabu.
Ila Makkah.
Ila Makkah.
Awwalan.
أولا ليأتمروا.
So the noon, it should have been ya'tamiru, and the noon is dropped. It will ya'tamiru ويبقوا
يأتمرون ويبقين.
ويبقوا yeah.
ويبقون هناك شهرا عند خالتنا. Let me try again. يريدون.
Okay, let me change it. Let me change it. How do you say I want to go to Makkah? How do you say that? I want to go to Makkah. How would you say that? أريد
أن أذهب إلى
No,
مكة.
أريد أن أذهب.
Yeah, أريد أن أذهب إلى مكة.
Firstly, to perform
أولا
umrah.
Yeah.
لأعتمر. So you say أريد أن أذهب إلى مكة أولا لأعتمر. The ya changes to an alif. لأعتمر وأبقى.
وأبقينا.
وأبقى. Just noon gets dropped.
شهرا عند خالتها.
In the khalati.
Yeah.
At Khala's house. Excellent. ثم, then I will go to Riyadh. How would you say that?
ثم أذهب. ثم أذهب إلى الرياض لزيارة
my uncle. لزيارة أمي. لزيارة أمي.
my uncle
who works in the correct?
Yeah. Who works
مصارف
في Masarifu hunaka in one of the bank there.
Excellent. Excellent. I want you to now change the whole sentence
Forgotten.
again. No problem. I want you to change the whole sentence. Change it to nahnu now. Nahnu nadhhab ila Hind
From
fi
Nuridu,
hadhihi
yeah?
al-ayam. Yeah, start from the beginning, from Ayub.
Nu-
Instead of hunna, say we are also not going
hun-
to India this summer holiday.
Hunna Aizen, I won't be going. So it be Hunna Aizen
No. I
Lan
want you to change it to
Yazhabu
nahnu. Change it to nahnu.
Aizen Lan Nazhabu
No. Nahnu aidan lan nadhhaba.
Lan
Nahnu,
Nazhaba Nahnu Aizen Lan Nazhaba
correct?
إلى الهند في هذه العطلة.
Correct.
نريد أن
Excellent.
نذهبنا
Nuridu an nadhhaba. We want to go.
We want to go إلى مكة أو Madina يأتم
لنأتمر. To perform umrah.
يأتمر
So, noon. Instead of the ya, change it to a noon. لنأتمر.
لتأمر
لنأتمر.
لنأتمر
ونبقى
ونبقى هناك شهرا عند
خالتنا.
خالتك
No, خالتنا. عند خالتنا.
خالتنا
Excellent.
عند خالتنا.
And then we will go to Riyadh to meet our uncle.
ثم سنذهب ثم سنذهب
No, سنذهب, correct?
نذهب إلى الرياض لزيارة
أمنا. Excellent. أمنا. That's perfect.
أمنا الذي يعمل في أحد المصارف هناك.
Excellent. Perfect. Perfect.
I have not touched the book since last whole month.
Okay, no problem. That's not a problem. Okay, sis, answer the following questions. Right. Can I bring sister Ismet? Can you read the first 4 questions? I will not do the answers today. I just want you to read the questions so you understand the questions from the exercises. Bismillah.
أين يريد أيوب أن يذهب في عطلة الصيف? Where does he wish to go?
Where
Aina is what?
you want?
Why does he want? Why does
No,
Ayub
Aina
want?
means where. Where does Ayub want?
Aina. Where? Aina is where?
Correct.
Okay. Where does Ayub want to go in the summer holiday?
Correct. Question number 2.
Okay. Aina ya'malu khaluhu. Where ya'malu means he
Work.
what's he well, where does his uncle work?
Correct.
لماذا يريد إخوته? لماذا? Why? I think. يريد إخوته أن يبقوا بالمدينة المنورة. Why does the brother إخوته, the brothers, his brother يريد إخوته, his brothers أن يبقوا? Why do they want to rest in مدينة المنورة?
Correct.
لماذا تريد أخواته أن يذهبن إلى مكة? Why do the sisters want to go إلى مكة, to go to Makkah? لزيارة من يذهبن إلى رياض. لزيارة من لزيارة means visit.
Yeah. For whom are they going to visit in Riyadh?
For whom are they going to visit? يذهبن إلى رياض, in Riyadh.
Brilliant. Exercise 2, I'm going to leave this for next session. Let's read it. I'm going to give the next exercise 1 to 5 to sister Butul Laka, and then I'll bring someone else for the next exercise 4. Maybe enough for this. Go ahead, sister Butul. Exercise 4. I want you to read at the moment the sentences as they are, and the next session we'll use lan and change the sentences.
Okay. أتذهب إلى بلدك في عطلة الصيف? Are you going to your country in the summer holidays?
Correct.
أتذهبون إلى الملعب هذا المساء يا إخوان? Are you not going? Are you going to the playground this evening, oh brothers? أيذهب زملاؤك إلى المتحف غدا يا علي? Are your friends? Are your colleagues going to the museum tomorrow, oh Ali? أتلعبون كرة القدم هذا المساء يا إخوان? Are you playing the football this evening, oh brothers? يرجع المدير من جدة غدا يا أستاذ. يرجع المدير. Is the principal will return from? Is the principal returning from Jeddah tomorrow? Or teacher?
Yeah, or teacher. Excellent.
Okay, can I just ask one?
Go ahead, Bismillah. Go ahead,
You know,
sister.
the last sentence I did was, it had a la. Sorry, I have to go. Lan.
Yep.
No, not this one. Not this. But it's still up. Yeah. Yeah. Liziarati. I mean, what was that?
Li means
Leaf?
for. Li means for.
Okay.
For visiting.
Okay.
Man yadhabna. So who are they going to visit in Riyadh?
Liziarati man hasabna ila
Yeah.
Riyadh. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Sister Butul Nur Muhammad, can you kindly read these sentences, please? Alif, Ba, and Jim. And then also the translation with Ma. Sister Butul Nur Muhammad, can you unmute yourself? Go ahead.
Which one? Is it number 4?
Yes. Page number 79.
Ta'mala adwat, is it the one?
Yep.
Adwat, okay. Notice the use of adwat nafi, negative particles in the following sentences.
Yep.
Zahabtu ila suki amsi. Zahabtu, I went to the market yesterday.
Yep.
Ma zahabtu ila suki amsi. I did not go to the market yesterday. Azhabu ila suki kullu yomin. I go to the market every day. La azabu ila suki kulla yomin. I do not go to market every day. Sa'azhabu ila suki gadan. I will go to the market tomorrow. Lan azhaba ila suki gadan. I will not go to the market tomorrow. I haven't got in my book the same thing. I'm missing the exercise.
Yeah, it's possible. Maybe it's an old copy that so has that.
I think it's an old book and it's got combined, everything combined.
Right, okay. Okay, this is enough for today, inshallah. So next session, what I'll do the exercises, finish the exercises, and then inshallah I'll finish off this lesson. We got one more lesson left, but if you could do me a favor, everyone, that would be much appreciated. These sentences, like I was doing Sister Sadiqa, changing it from hunna to hum, أيضا لن يذهبوا إلى الهند في هذا العطلة. Try to change the actual sentences from they to plural as well, and that would be much appreciated. Okay, is that okay?
What page is that? Sorry.
This is page number 78, 79,
okay.
and 79.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry, lesson number 9, which is page number 77, and then we did.
Yeah, it's page 77. Yeah. So turn it into plural, isn't it?
What's happened?
We have to turn it into plural, something.
Yeah, change it into plural. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you could do that, that'd be great, inshallah. Okay, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa alihi wa iltimas dua. Inshallah, I'll see you next week, same time, inshallah.
Asante